guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I thought it'd be really fun to do an adding too much ingredients into slime video, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. I also want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Wix. As you guys may remember, a few weeks ago, I made my very own website, allthingsnim.com, using Wix. You guys can also make your own website using Wix, and it can be about anything. You can make an online store to sell your slime or your homemade squishies, or maybe even just make a personal blog to share your ideas. The great thing about Wix is that they have a professional solution for all your website needs, from a variety of different apps to reliable hosting. With Wix, you have total creative freedom to make your website. You can use their website builder to build a site from scratch, or you can choose from their many templates and customize it to your needs. So if you guys want to make your own website using Wix, they were kind enough to offer a coupon code. Use NIM100 to get 10% off their unlimited premium plan. I will have all of the details and links in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. So a huge thank you to Wix for sponsoring today's video, and now with that all being said, let's get right into it. Okay guys, first off, I'm going to be adding too much of foam beads. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually make some regular basic slime. So I have some white glue and I'm just going to go ahead and activate it. So the slime I just made is pretty boring, so I decided to use 3 colors of foam beads. We have red, pink, and yellow, and I'm gonna mix them all together. As you guys can see, I'm going to be adding 3 entire bags of foam beads into only 4 ounces of slime. So if that isn't too much, I don't know what is. When I added in the slime, I actually thought that it wouldn't work, but as I kept mixing it together, the balls kind of started sticking together, which I thought was pretty amazing, and this was so crunchy. It was so much fun to play with, and honestly, I'm obsessed. Next, I'm going to be adding too much of gold leaves into slime. So I have some clear slime here that I've made, and I'm going to first start by adding just 1 leaf, and I'm going to show you how it looks. It is so satisfying to mix in the gold. It looks so pretty and I just love looking at it. But now I'm gonna have to go ahead and start adding a bunch of gold leaves into the slime. So I added a count for you guys to see how many I'm going to add. So far, I've added 11 gold leaves, and you're gonna see here that it's gonna start sticking onto my hands. At this point, the slime looks amazing. It's so gold and just so pretty. but I can definitely add some more gold leaves to it, so that is what I'm gonna do. So in total, I added in 27 gold leaves, and I'm gonna start mixing it in. When I started mixing it in, I started to feel like the slime was getting tough, and it was actually kind of hard to like mix it all in. It also started to not look as good as it was before, which was kind of a bummer, but yeah, now we know what happens when you add in too much of gold leaves. And that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.